Welcome to the Vaughn 3D channel. This is a F-106A prototype that I have. Doing a flight control check on it now. And as you could probably tell by the video's title, it didn't end so well. This airplane takes off really quick. It's a lot of fun to fly. I like shooting these videos like this underneath where you can see the control surfaces deflect in different directions and see where they're at as they're trimmed out. Gives me a really good idea of where the CG is at on the airplane too. I can tell in this video that it's a little bit too far forward. Needs a little bit of tail weight. Roll rate's really high on this airplane. I had to dial that back quite a bit. Some tight turns here. There's no gyro in this airplane. It's all me fiddling with the stick there, banging it back and forth. So that's probably why it's so jittery. A little bit of vertical performance. This airplane has just under 1-to-1. It's almost there, but not quite. Really, really quick little airplane. A lot of fun to build and fly. It's about 30 hours of print time, 30, 32, depending on your printer. A little bit of high alpha moves here. It's a good slow flight airplane. Does well. Probably would be better with an AFCG than it is here. I take these videos to see also the wing flex to see if it needs a spar or if it's not. This one does not have a spar. I see very little flex in it, so I'll probably keep it like that. Coming in for the landing. Base to final turn here. And there it is. Had to mess it up at the end. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.